Hi to all, my name is SC Dark, and in today's video we have AAA batteries. So these are 1.5 volts. I bought it from Temu, so let's test them. So as you can see, they are rated at 1.1 watt hours, and here you can see that these are Li-ion rechargeable batteries, AAA's 1.5 volts. And now the beauty of this is you have Type-C charger, so you can connect them to the simple charger and charge them. You don't need any other charger for this. And these are old batteries, rechargeable. As you can see, the volts immediately falls to 1.4 volts, and these are 120 milliamp hours. So we're gonna see the difference, and these batteries are always at 1.5 volts. So that's the only downside, I think, because here the volts are dropping as the batteries are as they discharging. We're gonna discharge them and we're gonna charge them with this, and we're gonna see how much milliamp hours can we store in them. So as you can see, you can charge all four of them at once with this cable. So we have 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you simply connect them to the charger. And now you can see all four are flashing and they are charging at around 1 amp, and we're gonna use 2 of them. So now you see it's around 43 milliamp hours. So we're gonna deplete them, discharge them. We're gonna reset this, and we're gonna see how much milliamp hours can be stored in them. So let's discharge them. So for discharging, I'm using this little waterfall, and now it passed 32 minutes and they are still working. And remember they weren't fully charged. So we're gonna see the difference if how much can this run, this waterfall. So after about 1 hour and a half, you see that the water flow is very low. We're gonna check the battery. We're gonna check the voltage on battery. So the batteries are almost depleted, and you can hear the motor is still spinning, but the motor won't come out. So let's try to see how much volts do we have. You see 1.1 volts. So that's very good, because now you see how much power is in these batteries. So when now they're almost discharged, so now I will put it on charge and see how much milliamp hours can we put in them. So it has, you see this battery it doesn't have any voltage, and this is 1.1 because this battery, the electronics in kicked and turned off the power. So to start it, you simply put it on the charger a little bit, and we're gonna now see the voltage. .1. So now let's charge them and see how much milliamp hours can we put in them. So they are charging at 0.4 amps. So we're gonna see how much power can we store in them. So now I'm testing the old rechargeable batteries. As you saw, the voltage when they are fully charged is 1.4, and now it's about 1.2, maybe 3 volts, and we see how long can they last. And that's it after 18 minutes. So the charging is finished. You can see that they are both lighting green, and here are the results after 1 hour. Around 400 milliamp hours, so 200 milliamp hours each battery took, and that's half what is advertised here. But they are still better choice than this old rechargeable battery. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, put a thumbs up, subscribe, and wait for my next video. And don't forget to support me. Thanks. Z Street Dark out. Bye.